Okay, here's what's doing, guys. Watch this video. I'm gonna give you such an incredible thing here. You're gonna kiss me for it. I think. I hope so. So here's what's doing. I made a video. Well, first of all, I'm showing you a picture of my iPad where I made $1,839.51. Took me 10 minutes to make that money. Give me a minute and I'll explain everything and I'll tell you how you can duplicate that. But just calm down and give me a minute. I know you have a short attention span, but pay attention. Okay. Okay, here's what's doing. I made a huge video with a huge tutorial. I went into all kinds of minutia about how I do this. What is this email marketing? Okay, I make huge money by sending out an email. It takes me 10 minutes a day. I have a huge email list in a bunch of different niches, but I digress. This money was made on an iPad. I didn't even have my computer. And the cool thing about this was I did this poolside Vegas. This is me, poolside Vegas, right? As VIP pool area with a VIP cabana. I had a butler bringing me and my buddies drinks and food and all that kind of stuff. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to do a little bit of work today. So while my buddies were eating and screwing around and swimming, I opened up my iPad. Like I said, I didn't even have my laptop. But I opened up my iPad and I made a simple creative. It's called a creative. An email like that, a monetized email is called a creative, if you don't know. It took me 10 minutes. I hit the send button. I forgot about it. And I went back to screwing around poolside in Vegas. And at the end of the day, about 5 o'clock or so, whatever it is, they close the pool. I opened up my iPad again just to check. And I had earned $1,839.51. And obviously that was that day for those few hours I was by the pool. The next couple of days, even more money came in. And more money came in. And more money came in. And, this is the power of email marketing. You're not digging ditches. You're not hot tar roofing. I think this can make you dough. So I want to show you a new tool that I found and a new platform that might make you dough. Because one of the biggest obstacles to making money with email marketing is building up your email list. And traditionally, to build up an email list, you have to make an opt-in page, a squeeze page. You have to get, it's real science. You have to get people to willingly give you their email address. And that can be difficult, especially for noobs. Now, the industry standard for an email list, the value of an email list is your email list should be worth to you on average $1 per email address you have per month. So if you have an email list of 20,000 people, theoretically it should be worth $20,000 a month to you. And if you don't think that can be done, I'm here to tell you you're wrong. But here's the problem for most newbies is building up their email list. It's very difficult. I want to show you something. Here's a perfect example. This guy is somebody that's in the business. And he was bragging on Facebook that he got 79 people onto his email list that day. And it only cost him 60 cents per person with paid advertising. So do a little math here. If you wanted to make an email list of 20,000 people and it's costing you 60 cents per person, you're going to spend $12,000 on that email list. And he's happy to do that. Now, you know why he's happy to do that is because an email address, once you have it, you can use it in perpetuity. As long as that person stays on your email list, you can use it forever. And he knows he's going to make money. But what if I could give you a way to build an email list for less than half a penny each? And even better, you don't have to run ads. You don't have to build squeeze pages. You don't have to build opt-in form. You don't have to do any work at all. And you will get between 100, I guarantee you will get between 1 and 200 people onto your list a day. How does that sound? And it's going to cost you less than a half a penny. check this out. Let me show you what's doing. And I'm showing you this because I think it has potential. Now, this is a platform I found. It's called onepennyemails.com. And the thing is, you join this platform, costs you $1 a day. And when you first start out at $1 a day, you're going to get 100 emails into your account every day. You do nothing. You do not have to do a damn thing. And those email addresses are going to be put into your autoresponder. Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself here, but I'm also going to give you a free autoresponder for that. I'm going to show you how to get this all for free. Check this out. So at $1 a day, you're getting 100 email addresses into your account a day. I'm getting 200 email addresses into my account a day, and I'm still paying $1 a day. So you do the math. What is $1 divided by 200? It's not rocket surgery here, guys. I'm not paying 60 cents per email address. Look at this. Up here it says 200 leads will appear in 3 hours and 25 minutes. I get 200 leads a day, every single day, doing nothing. And remember, my email addresses should be worth on average $1 a piece a month. So this is easy math, right? Now, I want to show you that this comes with an autoresponder. This is cool stuff. I think this is cool stuff. So this comes with an autoresponder. It comes with its own mailing system. And as you can see, my list, I have 4,000 people on my list. I did nothing to get those. It cost me $1 a day. Nothing. Okay, so I can send an email to all 4,000 people. I'm not going to do that. I'm waiting for my email list to get big. I'm talking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 big. Because I know the science of email marketing. And I'm using an unknown source of emails. So in order to make this work, I know I'm going to need a lot of email addresses. I mean, I could mail to 4,000 people, but I'm not expecting a lot in return for that. And because this isn't costing me a lot of money to build it up, I'm going to build it up. And that's what I suggest you guys do too. So anyway, let's go on here and I'll show you what's doing. Okay, so let me show you the autoresponder. Here's the subject line. And I put, "You got money." I actually put his first name in here too. That's the other thing. You can include the person's first name in the subject line and in the emails. So when I send out an email, if I put this little widget here, it's going to give the guy's first name in the subject line. So if his name is Frank, it's going to say, "Frank, you got money." If his first name is Ed, it's going to say, "Ed, you've got money." If it's Susan, it's going to say, "Susan, you've got money." Right? Very simple, very easy. This is cool. Everybody knows what a subject line is, right? No worries. But let me show you the autoresponder itself. Because if you think you cannot do this, you can. If you can use a word processor, that's how simple this is. That's how simple it is to make money with email marketing. And now, when I say simple, it's pretty simple for me. I don't know about you. You know, maybe you're a total imbecile that doesn't know how to turn on a computer. Maybe you're an idiot that doesn't know how to copy and paste. So I'm not making any guarantees here. I'm giving you what I see as a genuine possibility that most people could use to possibly make money. This excites me. I'm excited to share this with you guys because I think I'm going to get a lot of people saying, "Hey, Kinghuman, thanks so much for that. It really helped me and I'm making extra money now," or "I'm making big money now," or whatever. So here it is. So we talked about the subject line. Now here's the actual body. It's called the swipe. And if you look at the swipe, all these colored things here are called calls to action. And they are clickable links. So you can see what I've typed here. I'm not going to read it for you, but that's all it takes. That's all it takes. A simple email like that is all it takes. And then what you do is on your calls to action. First thing you do is you change the font color. And then you come up here and you click on this little link icon. And in that, when you do that, a pop-up's going to appear. Let's do it. And now all I need to do is enter a URL, any link. That can be my affiliate link. It can be a link to my website. It could be a link to anything I want. And all I have to do is cut and paste it. So for example, let's say I go into ClickBank. Let's do that real quick. Okay, here I am on ClickBank. And I don't want to digress too much into this, but this is how easy email marketing is. You find a product that you like. Hopefully it's a product you personally believe in. Now, I'm just going to use this as a case study. This is CB University, right? Pays $163. So let's say I want to promote this. By the way, it costs you nothing to sign up to be an affiliate at ClickBank, Warrior Plus. You can even use this with Amazon if you're an Amazon affiliate. And I'll get into that in a minute. But let's say I want to promote this because it's a $163 payout and it's recurring income. So I click on this button, promote. And a pop-up comes up and it says, okay, what do I want to send my traffic to? Just ignore this. All you have to do is click on generate hop link. And now I have my own affiliate link. So if I put that link in my emails and people actually click on the link and they go and they buy the product, I'm going to get paid. I'm going to get paid that $160, whatever it was, right? So let me show you real quick how to do that. So again, it's not rocket surgery. I paste my link in there and I click OK and boom goes the dynamite. Now this link is a clickable link, and when people click on it, they're going to go see that landing page, that University of ClickBank, whatever it was, right? And if they buy the product, I'm going to get paid. Now here's the math involved. And this is why I want you guys to build up a big email list before you even start mailing things like this. So let's assume that you build up an email list of 20,000 people, right? And you send out an email like this, a monetized email for that product, $160 product. And only 1%, I won't go into all the numbers, but let's just say 1%, oh, there goes my phone, 1% of people that you sent that to actually bought the product. Then you would have 200 sales at $160. That's $32,000. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen. It's probably not going to happen. In fact, you could half those numbers easily and still not be accurate. It depends on a lot of things. It's going to depend on the quality of the emails, the quality of the offer, the quality of the traffic, the quality of the landing page. There's a lot involved here. But for the price you're getting this, it's zero risk. And I'll tell you, once you start going with this, this should be able to make you some money. I don't know. This also comes with a bunch of training in the members area, so you don't have to depend on my training. But it also comes with its own built-in affiliate system. And I want to show that to you because there's a lot of potential in it. So again, this is onepennyemails.com. And what happens is you can use this exact platform not only to build up a big list that you can make money with, but you can even promote this platform within the platform itself. In other words, you can send emails to people and tell them about this platform, because the emails are not emails of people that have joined this particular platform. They're generic emails. They're opportunity seeker emails. They're people interested in this kind of thing, but they're not members of this yet. So you can use your one penny email system to send this offer to them. And when people join, you're going to get $5 a month. And you go, oh, Kinghuman, $5 a month. What an idiot. What kind of idiot are you? $5 a month. That's stupid. That's chump change. Well, it is chump change if that's all you see. But here's the other thing. It also goes 5 levels deep, meaning the person that you bring in, if they bring in people, then you get a $4 a month payment and then a $3 a month payment on that person and that person, blah, blah, blah. I don't like that kind of nonsense, but it's there. What can you do? What do I care? But here's the thing. When you get 5 people, just 5 people, you win $100. And you can do that each week. Right there. $100 each week. I mentioned this just to a few people and I already got $100. It's pretty easy. Now, if you bring in 25 people, you're going to earn $500. So you're going to earn an extra $500 a week with this. I mean, you can at least make this platform pay for itself so that it's zero risk. And they give you all kinds of tools and all kinds of things to promote this. Really, I think it's a no-brainer. Now, I want to show you one more thing here. This was the test that I sent out. Now, I was only a member for 6 days, and I had 600 emails at that point, which really is nothing. That's not going to make you any money. But I wanted to do a test. I wanted to see if these emails were responsive, if this was junk emails, or if these people really did follow through. So I sent a test email to 600 people that I had at the time. Of that, 142 people opened the emails. That's a 24% open rate. That's pretty darn good. Because if you do the math, remember, it's all math, guys. This is simple, okay? And of that, 40 people clicked on the links inside the email that I sent. So that represents a 28% click-through rate. Not a 1%, not a half of 1%, not a minuscule amount. 28% click-through rate is good. Now, what's the EPC? EPC is a number that they don't show here, and I don't have it yet. EPC means earnings per click. That is how many people actually buy the product after they go to the landing page. Well, I have 0 EPCs because I screwed up. I must admit, I'm a little embarrassed, but I put the wrong link in the email. And I had something else on my clipboard. I put it in there. But, here's the thing. I was on the phone to a friend, and I was talking to the friend while I was doing it. And here's the thing. I really did not do it to make sales. I wanted to get these figures. So the fact that I didn't make any sales doesn't bother me because I screwed up the link, and I really don't care. Because I'm telling you, I'm not even going to try and monetize this until I get up to 10, 20, 30, 40,000 emails. I want this to be a big source of emails because the cost is so cheap. I'm just going to let it go nuts. I'm going to let it build and build and build and build, right? And then, the other thing I forgot to tell you is if you bring other people into this program, you're going to get 200 emails instead of 100 a day. So you're going to build your list even faster. I need to look and see what that is. Okay, here it is. Your leads go from 100 a day to $200 a day for life just by getting in one new member. So if you're operating as affiliate on this platform and you recommend it to somebody and they join, you're going to get 200 leads a day instead of 100. That's golden. That's just cut your cost in half from a penny per email address a day to a half a penny per day per email address. That's pretty cheap. I don't know of anything else that's that cheap. I mean, I couldn't hire somebody for half a penny to do this, to do any part of this. So anyway, I hope at this point this makes perfect sense to you guys, and I hope it gets you excited. Now, a couple of other questions I want to anticipate. Can you export your leads and use them on a different autoresponder? Yes, you can. And the other thing is, can you promote anything with this built-in autoresponder? Yes, you can. This is great, and there's zero risk. You're not going to lose your autoresponder here because you're using the one in their system, and their system is self-hosted. So it's so golden. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but get in on this. OnePennyEmails.com. Go join right now. Bye.